Hi everybody, welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about how you can download and install Microsoft Word. There's going to be two methods for this one, so they're relatively easy. So let's get straight into it. So at the bottom of your screen, you want to find your search bar and type in there, Store. So then you're going to have a Microsoft Store app appear, so click onto that one. And that's going to open up this store of all the Microsoft apps. Within this section, we want to go to the search bar again at the top and type in Office 365. Okay, so there's a few options on this page. We've got Microsoft 365's personal, family, there's quite a few options available to you, but obviously those are paid versions and you don't necessarily need this for what we're going to be doing. So if you go on to Microsoft Office 365 over here, if you just click on the button here that says Get. So what that's going to do is then start downloading onto your system. If you open up your preferred browser, so I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, and up here you want to look for Office 365 in the search bar. And what you're looking for is Microsoft Office 365 login, so www.office.com. Okay, so once you've clicked onto the office.com, it's going to bring you to this page where you just need to sign in with your details. So press sign in and it'll prompt you for your email address and password. Okay, so this is another way of accessing the Microsoft 365 app, but using Microsoft Edge or any other browser that you want to actually use. So once I've logged onto this and signed in, then you'll see again the apps are down the side. And we're going to click on Word to open a Word doc. And it then gives you the option to either create a blank document, or again, there's templates here for you to use. So we're just going to open a blank document. So here you have all the options as you would having Microsoft Word installed on your device, and you can either use templates again over here on the right hand side, or just carry on using it as a blank work or Word document. Okay, well I hope that tutorial helped you out, and that's another way of getting Microsoft Word for free using Office 365. If this video did help you, we would really appreciate a like and a subscribe to the channel. It really does help our channel out. If there's any particular tutorials you would like in the future, please drop them in the comments down below. Other than that, have a great day and we'll see you on the next one.